Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Engineering Educator. Today I am going to discuss some important general awareness question which might be useful for SSC JEE and Vizag Steel Management Trainee exam and various other exam also. So come to the question number 1. Who among the following was chosen by the Time magazine as the person of the year 2019? So the correct answer will be Greta Thunberg. She is a 16-year-old climate activist from Sweden and she has been chosen for the Times Person of the Year. Moving to next. What is the name of the robot which will send to space for the Gaganyaan mission by ISRO? So Gaganyaan mission is scheduled to 2022 and the name of the robot is Biomitra. Moving to next. Which country has been banned by the World Doping Agency from the international sporting event for 4 years? So the correct answer will be Russia. Russia has been banned for the 4 years including 2020 Tokyo Olympic because some of their athletic failed in doping test. Now question number 4. Who has been won 55th Jnanpith Award? The correct answer is Akitham Nambudari, a Malayalam poet from Kerala, and he is 95-year-old. Next question, question number 5. Who among the following was recently crowned Miss World 2019? The correct answer will be Miss Jamaica Tony Ann Singh. Moving to question number 6. Who will become the world's youngest serving Prime Minister? So Sanna Marin, she is 34 years old, Finland Prime Minister. Now question number 7. Which country will host G20 summit in November 2020? So the correct answer will be Saudi Arabia, which is the first Gulf nation to host G20 summit, and previously Japan hosted it. Moving to next question number 8. Who is deputy governor appointed in 2020? So the correct answer is Michael Deobrato Patro, and the governor of the RBI is Shaktikant Das. Moving to next. Khelo India Youth Game 2020 were held in. So it was held in Guwahati, Assam. Now question number 10. Who won the Sir Garfield Sobers Trophy 2019? And the answer is England cricket all-rounder Ben Stokes for his amazing performance in the Cricket World Cup. Question number 11. Who has won the Durand Cup 2019? So Durand Cup is associated with football. So Gokulam Kerala FC beating Mohun Bagan FC 2-1 to lift the Durand Cup. Moving to next. Which Indian is conferred with first International Shooting Federation Blue Cross Award? And the correct answer is Indian Olympic gold medalist in shooting Abhinav Bindra. Now question number 13. Dadasaheb Phalke Award 2019 received by whom? And it is Amitabh Bachchan. Now question number 14. Wings India 2020 to be held in which airport? And the correct answer is Hyderabad. And In this event also Indian Air Force Chief Mr. Bhaduria will be present there. Now question number 15. Who has been appointed as India's new army chief? The correct answer is Manoj Mukund Narbhare has been replaced Bipin Rawat to become new Indian Army head, and the Bipin Rawat will now new CDS, Chief Defence Staff. This is a new post created by Indian government. Now, where was the India's first kind turtle rehabilitation center inaugurated? The answer is Bhagalpur, Bihar. Here nearly 500 turtle will be there, and there a turtle medical hall will be also to rehabilitation center. Now question number 17. Name the most powerful military commander of Iran who was killed by American airstrike at Baghdad International Airport in Iraq. The answer is Qasem Soleimani was killed in the order of American President Donald Trump in a drone strike. Now question number 18. What was the theme of Indian Science Congress for the year 2020? And the theme is Science and Technology Rural Development. And ISC will be held in Bangalore, Karnataka. Moving to next. Name the India's first indigenous aircraft carrier that is to be commissioned by early 2021. The correct answer is INS Vikrant. Now India has only one aircraft carrier, which is INS Vikramaditya. Moving to next. Name the bridge that will become world highest railway bridge after completion, and that is Chenab Bridge, which will built in Jammu Kashmir, JNK, and the height is 359 meter. Previously the bridge was in China, which was highest bridge. Now moving to question number 21. Name the first woman parade adjutant for the Republic Day parade 2020. So the answer is Tania Sargil. And Assam Rifle won the award for the best parade in Republic Day. Now question number 22. Where was India's first e-waste cleaning inaugurated? And the answer is Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Moving to question number 23. Where is the 9th edition of Joint Indo-Bangladesh Military Exercise Sampriti 9 going to be conducted at the month of February 2020? And that will be in Meghalaya. Now question number 24. Who was elected as new chair of the Forum of the Election Management Bodies of South Asia for the year 2020? And the correct answer is Sunil Arora. Sunil Arora is also our Chief Election Commissioner, and previously this post was held by Bangladesh Election Commissioner. And today's last question. What is the rank of ease of doing business in India in 2019. So the India's rank is 63rd position. So previously it was 77. So India climb up 14 position, and in case of the state, Andhra Pradesh ranked top, followed by Telangana. So thank you for watching.